everyone, my name is Drupad Mittal V from grade 7 High School Kengeri. Today my topic is difference between elements and compounds. What is an element? Element is a pure substance made up of only one kind of atom that cannot be broken down into more simpler substance by any physical or chemical process. Example, hydrogen and oxygen. What is a compound? Compound is a pure substance made up of two or more elements combined chemically in fixed proportion that can be divided into more simpler substance by chemical process. Example, water made up of hydrogen and oxygen, sodium chloride made up of sodium and chlorine. Now let us see the difference between elements and compounds. Elements are made up of only one kind of atom. Example, oxygen made of oxygen atom, hydrogen made of hydrogen atom. Whereas compounds are made up of two or more kinds of elements in definite proportion. Example, water made up of hydrogen and oxygen, carbon dioxide made up of carbon and oxygen. Elements cannot be broken down into two or more simpler substances by any physical or chemical process. Example, hydrogen and oxygen. Whereas compounds can be broken down into two or more simpler substances by chemical process. Example, water. Water can be broken down into hydrogen and oxygen through a process called electrolysis. Elements have their own set of properties. Example, hydrogen. Hydrogen is combustible but they do not support in combustion, which means hydrogen can burn but they do not support in the process of burning. Oxygen. Oxygen is non-combustible but they support in combustion, which means oxygen cannot burn but they support in the process of burning. Whereas properties of compounds are different from the properties of elements. Example, water. Water is non-combustible, they do not support in combustion. Every element is represented by using their symbols. Example, symbol of hydrogen is H, symbol of oxygen is O, symbol of sodium is Na, symbol of chlorine is Cl. Whereas every compound is represented by their chemical formula. Example, water is 2, sodium chloride NaCl. There are 118 types of elements that are known to mankind. Example, hydrogen, oxygen, sodium, chlorine, etc. There is no upper limit for the compounds. Example, water, sodium chloride, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, etc. Elements are represented by their atomic number, that is, number of protons present in an atom. Example, hydrogen atomic number 1, oxygen atomic number 8, carbon atomic number 6. Whereas compounds are represented by their atomic ratio. Example, water, combining capacity of oxygen is 2, combining capacity of hydrogen is 1, therefore the ratio is 2:1. Similarly, the ratio of sodium chloride is 1:1. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.